Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install APK files on any Android. The process is fairly straightforward and simple, so I'm going to get straight into it. So we're not going to be using the Play Store for any part of this video. What we want to do in order to install an APK file, which is just another way of installing apps onto your phone, is I'm going to open up a browser on my phone, and then in this case, I'm on Google Chrome. So for an example, we could type Snapchat APK. So whatever app that you want to download, you just follow that by APK and then hit search, and you want to go and choose one of these search results. So I highly recommend that you choose the APK pure results because those are trusted and you're not going to be installing any viruses onto your phone or anything like that. So I'm going to tap this result here from APK pure. It says download Snapchat latest APK. So I'm going to tap on that. That's going to take me to the APK website. You can see now it's straight away going into the downloads. So if I tap on those three vertical stripes at the top right hand corner, and then I tap on downloads, you can see it's actually automatically installing the Snapchat APK for me. So I didn't even have to click on any links or anything on that website. I can go back to the website. It's basically an automatic thing where it just starts automatically, which is a nice feature of APK Pure. So to track the download, you can just tap on those three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. And then you want to tap on downloads underneath history, and you can see it's 78.78 megabytes. So I highly recommend that you install these APKs using your Wi-Fi connection, because if you're using your data, then you might waste some money there. So now it has finished. Now all you need to do is you can either just tap on it and it might say you can't open file like it just did right there for me. So what I need to do is I need to go out of that, and then on any Android phone, you're going to have the Files app. So here it is in my Samsung folder, the My Files app. If I tap on that, what I need to do now is tap here where it says downloads, and then you can see the Snapchat APK within my downloads. All you need to do is tap on that Snapchat APK or whatever app you downloaded it. It's going to ask you, do you want to install it? Just say yes, go through all the steps, and then it will install it for you, and then you'll have the Snapchat APK. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.